The third requirement is that of the capital or the variety of inputs required at every stage during production.
What are the items that come under capital?
Tools, machines and buildings. Right from simple tools like a farmer's plow to big machines like generators are required to produce anything. These tools and machines are not consumed in the process of production, but may demand some repair and maintenance occasionally. These are called fixed capital or physical capital. B. Raw materials. Raw materials are the basic things required for producing any goods. Right from yarn that a weaver needs to clay that a potter needs is bought and then consumed in the process of production. This requirement for raw material and money is called the working capital. There is one more requirement, that of knowledge and enterprise. To be able to use land, labor and physical capital in a meaningful way to produce goods or services, knowledge of the process and confidence is also essential. The entrepreneurs who are engaged in the process of production must know how to plan, organize and manage the process of production. They must also know what do their customers want, or else they may suffer a loss. Every production is organized by people or entrepreneurs combining the elements of land, labor and physical capital. These are known as the factors of production.
And then labor is also required for production. Am I right?
Yes, some farmers cultivate their own land while the others work as laborers in others' farms on wages. The wages may be in cash or kind, like they may be given some portion of the produce. The wages of such laborers vary from region to region, crop to crop, and the type of farming activity. These laborers may be employed on a daily basis or on contract basis. Deepu, you know that modern farming involves the use of high-yielding variety seeds, assured irrigation, fertilizer and pesticides. To get all this, one must have sufficient capital for production and therefore money. Most farmers borrow money from large farmers, village money lenders or traders. The rates on which these loans are provided are very high and the farmers have to work a lot harder to repay their debts. The large farmers and medium farmers have their own savings from which they purchase the things they need, right from the high-yielding seeds to the most modern tractors and harvesters.
How do they save money?
Deepu, the small farmers are not able to save any money because they have small lands and the produce is just enough to provide their own needs. So it's the medium and large farmers who supply wheat to the wholesale market. A part of their earning is saved and kept for buying capital for the next season. However, these farmers may also sometimes suffer a loss because of floods and pests, etc.
Father, what are the non-farming activities?
Dairy is one of the important non-farming activity in our village. People buy buffaloes and feed them grass, jawar and bajra fodder. The milk that is obtained is sold off in the nearby villages and cities. Some other people are involved in other small-scale manufacturing activities also, like your uncle Mishri Lal has a mechanical sugarcane crushing machine to take out the sugarcane juice. Many residents are also involved in business like shopkeepers. They buy goods that are needed by the villagers from the cities in wholesale and sell it here. Some families also put up small stalls like that of tea, samosas and namkeens. Many people are also employed with MNREGA or Manrega and earn their livelihood by working for the government projects. To make all production activities successful, a good connectivity to the nearby places is essential. We need good roads and means of transport. Our village is also connected to the nearby cities and villages by road, and a variety of vehicles run on them. As more villages are getting connected to towns and cities through good roads, transport and telephone, it is possible that the non-farming activities will also increase in the coming years.
And that would make our village even more prosperous, isn't it?
That's right.
Goodbye children. Meet you with more topics in the next class.